Chubby Bunny challenge. Here we go. Okay, let's do this. Here you go, guys.
I have one too. Wait, I said wait.
Chubby Bunny. You can't chew it. I forgot. Oops. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Do you quit? Okay, so no one knows how much we made it to. Just doesn't know, and I don't know. Okay. Let's start it. We all forgot. We have dementia. Sorry. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Apparently, now I can fish. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby.
She's not chubby. Sure, it's the Chubby Bunny challenge, but she's not chubby. She could do it. She could say it. She's still in. She could say it. She could say it. Still in the challenge. Ooh, spectating's real. Vlogception. Vlogging the vlog. Vlogception. Say it again. Please say it again. Say it again. Please say what? Please.
Subscribe down below.
Good. And like yeah. What's up, guys? Like, comment, subscribe below. Ow! She hit me. That's not cool. She hit me.